Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. All right, the next one, very similar kind of construct in a way. So if you kind of look at this, you've got Amazon, and you can see this one also in a bit of a sideways consolidation pattern, although we didn't really hit it all over the place. But you do see some of these swing points. Just take a look at some of these that I circled. Sometimes, yes, they do go a little outside the range, but nevertheless, you are here in this sideways consolidation pattern. You are right there at resistance. So notice that kind of double top in a way that was there. Not exactly a double top, but that it hit it twice. And now you're kind of right in the middle. So that's where that sideways consolidation pattern is there. So it could be interesting buying opportunity when it gets to this level. This is a powerful company and stock, and normally does quite well. So I would watch for pullbacks and buying opportunities. That's really what you're looking for. Yes, of course, we all, hey, I wish I bought it at 500 or 700 or whatever. But the market just keeps kind of moving and rolling and shaking and baking. So your goal and duty is to evaluate at this current time, is it worth the money for the next little bit of time frame that you're planning to hold the stock. And in this case right now, we've got some sideways action. If we get down to about 2,900, I think it could be an interesting shorter term buying opportunity. And for that, I would say I'd be more bullish along those lines. But for now, I'd be more neutral. But when we get to 2,900, I think as long as we can kind of hold that level at that support that I've outlined there, that could be more of a bullish opportunity. Next one, also another one that I'm not a huge fan of, but you know, it's an interesting one that could be a good short opportunity. It is higher shorted. I wouldn't say heavily shorted, but heavy enough compared to many other stocks. So you've got resistance. Notice here you've got a lot of resistance overhead. So what happened here is recently stock started to accelerate to the upside, and with that you got some movement moving up, but now you're getting some rejection. So I think it could be an interesting shorting opportunity actually, rather than buying opportunity, just because this one is not very well, it's just not doing very well. Even though they have bullish volume picking up speed. So this one I would actually go against the grain of what kind of the charts are telling me from the zoomed in version. When you back up on this chart, not that I can do it right now because I'm drawing on top of the chart, but when you back out of it actually, you'll see that this trend is just down. The stock continues to be weak. So that's why I think as it's hitting resistance, it might be one to short rather than one to go long. So since this stock continues to show weakness, and continues to reject at various resistance levels, I think it is one to more go short rather than go long or buy on dips or even on breakouts. So that's kind of what I would do and look at. Is it's just kind of not one that I would go with. So that's why I'd be a little bit more bearish on this one rather than bullish as we get into resistance. Even though we've got some nice wide price spread, the volume is picking up. It's just the stock has been showing a lot of weakness over the last couple of years. Okay, not just weeks or days. It's just has trouble. PayPal. Here, as we look at PayPal, you can see right there, there's kind of a resistance level right there. If we go into the daily here, okay, so here's kind of your resistance, and let me back that up a little bit so you can kind of see right there. Okay, so there we go. So there is resistance, and you can see there's resistance right there. Stock has been trying to move to the upside. That was your support, and then it's breaking down. So that's the upward trend there. So this is your upward trending support line, and now breaking down. So that's not good. You also have that overhead resistance. So stock's been doing quite well. So if you look at the trend or the move from these bottom lows, it has been fantastic and doubled up. That's great, but are we too far stretched? So think about it this way. Hey, since April, which is coronavirus, all that stuff, April, May, June, July, August, September, you know, this stock continues to boom. So yeah, of course that's good for the stock, but you know, can it continue to move forward? Because remember, people still accept PayPal through crafts and art shows and those kinds of things. So it's been fantastic. So, but are we too far stretched? So that is the big question. So the sell-off or a pullback might be needed just because we are too far stretched to the upside. It might have moved too far, too quick, right? So always take profits in the strength and just watch out with where you're at. So don't think, hey, I got a couple red days, that it's really a bad thing. It's just like, man, this stock came in from the 90s. It's already at 209, and you know, 200s, it's still doubled. Even if it pulls back to 140, that's still 50% profit. You know, it went up since April. So that's fantastic. So it's been great. I'd be more neutral on it. Just wait for a pullback, maybe somewhere around, let's see, somewhere around 170s. This could be a nice support level where those swing lows are. That's kind of one to watch. And you can also see that support right here where it was more around August. So that's what I would kind of take a look at right there. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.